Tired of your Zillow leads feeling like dead ends? Let's transform those online browsers into real-life clients with a few simple steps. First, nail your Zillow profile. Ensure your profile picture is professional, your bio is compelling, and your contact information is accurate and easy to find. This is your digital handshake, so make it count. Craft personalized messages, avoid generic greetings. Reference specific details from the property they're viewing or their Zillow activity. Showing you've done your homework builds instant rapport. Offer valuable insights. Don't just push listings, share neighborhood expertise, market trends, or answer specific questions they might have about the property or the buying, selling process. Become their trusted advisor. Follow up strategically. Zillow leads can be cold, so nurture them with consistent, valuable communication, even if they don't respond immediately. Persistence, without being pushy, pays off. Finally, build relationships beyond Zillow. Connect with potential clients on other social media platforms, invite them to local events, and show genuine interest in their real estate goals to solidify long-term connections.